Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly very important, especially for people who are searching software jobs right now. Because in this video, I have got two proper developer opportunities and one of them is from Akamai Technologies. And trust me, this is not one of those random low quality support jobs. This is an actual software engineering role where you will work on backend systems and product level applications. And the crazy part is, freshers there can earn somewhere around 15 LPA. So make sure watch this video till the end because I will explain everything properly, what skills they need, what work you will do, whether freshers can apply comfortably, and which role is better depending on your current skill level. Let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is Akamai Technology and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. This is a complete remote opportunity across India and both freshers plus early career candidates can apply. Now, if you don't know about Akamai, let me tell you why this company is actually a huge name in tech. Whenever websites handle massive traffic, stream videos smoothly, or protect themselves from cyber attacks, there's a high chance that Akamai infrastructure is running in the background. Now coming to the package, according to data, you can earn between 15 to 18 LPA based on your experience. And in some cases, total compensation can go even higher with bonuses and stock benefit. Now let's understand what you will actually do here. This role is a mix of backend engineering plus front-end exposure. So you won't just work on a small thing, you will build backend services using Java, work with databases and SQL services, build UI components using Angular or React, and also help solving real-world production level issues. The company also mentioned like distributed systems, certificate provisioning, automation improvement, reliability engineering, and system integration. So overall, this role gives you a very strong real-world software engineering exposure, and honestly, this is a kind of experience that helps developer grow faster in the first few years of their career. Now coming to skills, they mainly want candidates who know Java backend development, Angular or React, SQL, relational databases, REST APIs, and basic distributed system understanding. And if you already know things like Spring Boot, REST API, database optimization, or front-end frameworks, then your profile becomes a very strong. So they want people who can independently debug problems, communicate properly with teams, and contribute actively instead of waiting for constant instructions. So let's move on to the second opportunity. The company is Kravix and they are hiring for the role of backend developer. Again, this is also a work from home opportunity, but this one is much more beginner friendly. And the best part is no experience required and they have 35 openings. So if you are someone who is still learning development, building projects or trying to get your first software job, then this role becomes much easier to target compared to Akamai. The CTC package goes around 3.2 to 5.5 LPA, which is decent for freshers. Now here, your main work will revolve around backend systems and API development. You will build backend applications, integrate databases like MongoDB and MySQL, develop APIs, work with Django and write backend logic using Java, Python and Node.js. So overall, this role gives exposure to multiple backend technologies instead of restricting you to one stack only. And honestly, that's very useful for freshers because early in your career, broader exposure helps a lot. The company also mentioned that basic Python and database knowledge is enough to start with. They are not expecting some expert engineer with huge experience. Even candidates with personal projects, internship experience, mini projects, or GitHub work can apply comfortably. And because this role is remote plus has multiple openings, it becomes very practical opportunity for freshers. So if you compare both opportunities, Akamai is clearly stronger premium product based company with much more higher package and the opportunity from Kravix is more fresher friendly. And remember one important thing, the first company does not decide your entire career. Many developers start with smaller companies, gain strong experience, and later switch to the top product based companies. So focus less on only the package initially and focus on learning, production experience, problem solving, and consistency. Yes, the package is also important, but the learning is more important than that. That's what actually compounds over time. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. And I just want to say one thing that whenever I upload video, opportunity may get closed. So make sure to turn on the notifications so you can apply at earliest. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.